Hello everyone, and today I will compare YouTube TV versus YouTube Premium. We will talk about the differences in terms of pricing and features so that you can better decide which one is better for you. Now let's start with YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium, formerly known as YouTube Red. It is a subscription service that enhances your standard YouTube experience in several ways. And the first important feature is ad-free viewing. With a YouTube Premium subscription, you can say goodbye to those ads that interrupt your viewing pleasure, whether you are using the website or mobile application. Advertisements become a thing of the past. Background playback. This feature allows you to play YouTube videos in the background while your device is logged, or when you are using other apps, enhancing multitask capabilities. Offline downloads. YouTube Premium permits you to download videos for offline viewing on your mobile devices, enabling you to enjoy your favorite content without an internet connection. YouTube Originals. Subscribers gain access to YouTube Originals, a selection of movies, series, and shows spanning various genres, including animation, comedy, drama, documentary, and more. Some of these programs feature well-known user personalities. However, it's worth noting that YouTube Originals may not match the quality of content offered by major streaming services like Netflix or Disney+. So now, how much does YouTube Premium cost? YouTube Premium is priced at $14 per month with a 1-month trial for new subscribers. In addition to, there are some plans range from $8 per month for students to $23 per month for families. Additionally, YouTube is testing a cheaper version called YouTube Premium Lite, available in European countries for €6.99 per month. This version allows ad-free streaming but doesn't remove ads from videos or live channels that creators have integrated. While YouTube Premium offers a range of conveniences, it may not be the best choice for everyone. There are other video streaming services available with lower subscription costs, and many free video streaming services offer substantial on-demand content. What does YouTube TV include? YouTube TV includes YouTube TV caters to those who still want to watch live TV but prefer to cut the cord. It offers a comprehensive channel lineup across various categories, live TV channels. YouTube TV provides access to around 90 channels covering entertainment, lifestyle, local news, and sports. You can watch live broadcasts from major networks like ABC, CBC, Fox, and MPC, as well as local PBS channels, news, and sports. The service includes a wide range of news channels such as BBS, America CNBC, CNN, Fox News, and MSNBC. Sports enthusiasts can enjoy channels like CBC, Sports ESPN, NFL Network, and NBA TV Entertainment Networks. YouTube TV offers entertainment and lifestyle networks including Disney Channel FX and National Geographic's Discovery, including Food Network HTTV, and Travel Channel, Viacom CBS, including Comedy Central, Nickelodeon, and Warner Media, including Cartoon Network, TBS, and TNT. YouTube Originals like UCP Premium. YouTube TV subscribers can access YouTube Originals. However, the quality of content in this category may not match that of dedicated streaming platforms. How much YouTube TV costs? YouTube TV cost starts at $75 per month with a 7-day free trial for new subscribers. But you should know that it's only for the first 4 months. After that, you will have to pay $73 per month. This means that you will save $32 in the first 4 months. While its price has increased over time, it remains competitive with other live TV streaming services. Hulu Plus TV and Fubo TV, for instance, also start at $65 per month. YouTube TV offers add-ons to expand your channel selection and unlock additional features such as premium channels like HBO Max Showtime, and the Stars sports enthusiasts can opt for the Sports Plus package, while a 4K Plus add-on allows for streaming and 4K resolution and other enhancements. So, should you pay for a YouTube Premium or YouTube TV? YouTube TV may not be a necessary expense for casual YouTube users. However, if you or your family spend a significant amount of time on YouTube and enjoy the convenience of integrated features, it may be worth considering, especially if you appreciate the benefits of YouTube. Now, what if you want to pay for YouTube TV? YouTube TV is an excellent option for cord cutters seeking a comprehensive live TV experience. Its expansive channel lineup, competitive pricing, and robust DVR capabilities make it a stronger contender in the live TV streaming market. However, specific audiences with different preferences or needs may find better and better alternatives among other live TV services. Now, in conclusion, the choice between YouTube TV and YouTube Premium depends ultimately on your viewing habits and preferences. Consider your content consumption patterns, whether you prioritize ads for YouTube viewing or if you are looking for a live TV replacement. Both services offer unique features, so make your decision based on what aligns best with your entertainment needs and budget. So tell me down below in the comments, which is better to you, YouTube TV or YouTube Premium? And in the end, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching, and see you in a new video.